Welcome to our channel! Say hello guys! Where's Georgie? Swimming kami ni Georgie. Wala si Daddy na sa office. Ayan. Ayan yung view natin. Ayan. Nasa 8th floor kami. Tapos ito yung kino-construct. Tapos doon sa baba, yung, may ano dyan, may small garden. Doon kami lagi pumupunta ni Georgie paghapon. Ayan. Chilling out kasi mainit dito guys. Today is about 38 degrees. So, ayan. Cool down konti.
Little ducks go swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." And then the 4 little ducks came back. 4. Next, 4 little ducks go swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." And 3 little ducks came back. 3. No, 3.
Why?
Okay.
That's better. Why? You don't want mommy hug you.
I want to swim all alone.
You want to swim on your own. Why? Do you know how to swim?
Oh,
Huh?
run away, mommy. I need to run away.
Okay. Whoa! Run away! Ang sarap ng tubig, guys. Maano lang siya, warm konti. Tapos yung singaw ng init. Ayan. So, sarap. Guys, masuko na siya guys. Kaya di mo siya ganahan na tubig sa yung face. Di siya ganahan na i-spray. What are you doing? There, Georgy girl. It's fancy. Look at the camera, no, the camera is there. Ready? Look at there, oh. Say to yourself there. No, camera is there. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! You're floating, huh? Float. Oh, Georgy sleeping. Good night. mom like this, So guys, during the day, pag nasa office si Daddy, kami lang talaga dalawa ni Georgie. Tapos minsan, nagkayayaan mga mamis, mga Pinay din, pero current husband, may playdate yung mga kids namin. Pero ngayon kasi guys, nag-live kami playdate, gawa ng may fun pack, mag-invite pag-date, first family first family mo. Talaga dito sa Dubai guys, strict, which is okay, para yes, mommy. So tell the people please, keep safe, keep safe, keep safe, keep water. Are you okay? Sorry, mommy should be careful now. But it's okay, we're just playing. But we have to be careful now. Do not pick it up, you cannot drink. No, you don't spit out, you drink it. Okay, go drink. Show me. Drink it. Do not spit out. Ay! Don't do that. That's drinking water, love. Do not break it. You keep telling mommy, save the water. Then save it. Drink it straight away and do not spit out. Booger! Sisi guys! Booger! Wait, sino booger?
A few moments later.
I got it! Oh, look! Yeah! Oh, you wanna hold your booger?
No!
Ayaw niya yung poke mo niya, yung kulangot niya. Hold your booger! Ah! Show. Look, what's that?
It's booger. What do you have to hold it?
No, it's your booger.
Mommy, I do like it.
Whee!
No. Mommy, do it.
I got a t-shirt.
Yeah. That tastes good. Are you ready?
I am ready. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, come back here. Come on, swim.
Mommy, are you ready?
I am ready. See the bird?
Oh, I'm not seeing the bird.
Listen. You ask mommy to play your Barbie now.
No.
But let's talk. Usap tayo. So if you wanna play, wait lang. You have to listen. I'm talking to you. Ay, ano ba yan? You listen. As I told you, always listen to mommy. Look at me. Listen. You want to play your Barbie doll house?
No.
Okay. Dad is coming home. So when Dad is here, we can decide if we want to.
Surprise.
Oh, we have surprise for Daddy. If you want to play doll house, then we have to stop swimming. Yeah, we can swim again tomorrow. If you had enough, it's okay. Oh, show your hand. See your hand. See your hand. You got funny hands. Look, too much water. See? Isang oras na kami guys. Isang oras na kami swimming. Hi guys, laro tayo ng bubbles guys. Sinong nakaka-relate nito? Yung pag naliligo ka, tapos lagi mo ng shampoo. Tapos, mag-blow bubbles ka. Ganyan lang. Ayan. Kasi hindi naman sa atin guys, yung yung bubbles talaga, yung, alam mo yung may stick. Pwede rin, may stick. Tapos, alam mo yung, stick ng lubi ba? Sa lukay. Yun ang ginagamit namin guys, gawa ng bubbles. Okay, come on, you pop the bubbles. Kaya gusto to ni Georgie.
Big bubble, Mommy.
Let's collect all the bubbles. Georgie's bubbles.
So many. So many. So many. So many.
They don't know that I've come home. So Georgie and Mummy are in the swimming pool and Daddy's in the house. And Mummy's taking videos for the YouTube channel. And she's talking, you can see the phone. She can't see through the window. So they don't know I'm here. I'm going to bang on the window and scare them. Ready? Ready?
Hi! Who's that?
Hello!
We're playing bubbles.
How's my girls?
Playing bubbles.
Are you playing bubbles?
Yes.
Wow! And Mummy's got the video running as well.
Yeah.
So is Daddy.
Huh?
So is Daddy.
How long have you been there?
It doesn't matter how long I've been here.
Hello.
Hello! I can hear you chatting away at the video.
Hi! You've been there for a while.
Yeah.
Play Mario.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's a
good for
good
you.
position, Georgie, so you can cover Mommy's fat belly.
Yeah. So have you had fun today? Georgie, look at Daddy. See, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Have you been a good girl for Mummy?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I want to play bubbles.
You want to play bubbles. I see you've put a lot more water in the swimming pool.
Yeah.
Yes. Is it hot?
No, it's perfect temperature. I mean to put lots of water, so it's more fun.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to go above the line. That's what it says.
Right?
Well, if you read the instructions on the side of the pool, it says, do not fill the water above this line.
It's okay, because I'm with her.
Anyway,
Yeah, I did.
What?
I love you.
Yeah, I did.
Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Good evening.
Hello. Hello.
Say,
Please
like.
like,
Say like that. Please like. Please like. And
and
click
click
the bell.
bell
And don't forget to
to
subscribe
subscribe
my channel.
my channel.
I love you all.
I love you too old.
Flying kiss to everyone. Then beautiful smile. Oh, you're tickling your neck.